Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am CryptoKip, and today we're going to talk about the Cronos chain, guys, where we're at when it comes to this project, guys, because there's some price action going on in crypto right now. Bitcoin's coming down, but Cronos is actually hanging on to some of the price levels that it's been at for the past little while. More partnerships coming for Cronos today. We also need to look, guys, you got to take a look at the total value locked up in DeFi, because that is going to be a measurement of how successful Cronos chain really is when this bull market comes. Guys, let's get into the content. If you like this kind of video, smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and let's talk a little bit of Bitcoin and crypto, because today Bitcoin is back down below 35,000, back below 34,000, into 33.8 right now. Still way up, guys. Still a great story to tell about crypto today. But looking at Cronos, coming in at rank number 35, up 12.91% over the last 7 days. It is still moving upward. Just got to take a peek at the chart here. Look at the movement, guys. These are the 4-hourly candles. And as you can see, we have broken above this blue trend line, which is actually very important when you start to zoom out. First of all, look at the bullish movement that's going on right here. We are above. We've bounced off this level. We're still moving up. Going to the weekly candles, however, you will see this blue trend line and the significance of it, and the significance that the current weekly candle is breaking out well above it. This thing closes on Sunday. If this weekly candle can close above this blue trend line, then I do think that means more bullish continuation for Cronos coin. However, we need to be conscious of Bitcoin, which right now is struggling with the $35,000 level. Now, we have tested support at $33,850 a couple different times over the last couple days. I do think there's a chance, now that we saw this thing come down below the support again today, this is making it weaker because it is really coming down a little bit more. We might see 32,500. We might even see 30K Bitcoin once again, especially when you look at the overall market cap. These are some old drawings that I had on here, but you'll see Bitcoin right now is coming down off of a key level. So is the overall market cap of crypto. Look at the entire snap. Here's your previous bull market, guys. Bear market. We're not out of the bear market. We are not out of the crypto bear market in my mind until we actually break above really the previous all-time high. But at least you can't even make the argument in my mind until we break above this current level. And, really above it, at least above this $1.33 trillion price level. And we could start to talk about a bull market, maybe. But as for Cronos, guys, it is doing some great work. We do see that there are now more partnerships coming for the Cronos team. And I don't want you guys to forget that the Cronos chain is a top 10 project in terms of DeFi. The only projects we have above here are Coinbase's Base, Solana, Avalanche, Optimism, Polygon, Arbitrum, Binance Smart Chain, Tron, and then Ethereum, which is the king of all things DeFi, guys. But here's a story you got to remember. Cronos is a strong player in this game. Let's look at specifically the difference between Ethereum and some of these other competing chains. You will see since 2020, Ethereum has lost market dominance when it comes to how much it was locked up in the chain. Why? Because some of these other chains continue to grow, guys. And we already know the story about Binance. A lot of negative headlines about Binance lately. Cronos, Crypto.com, its competitor, guys, it is going to show whether or not Crypto.com is going to compete against Binance in this next bull market. If Cronos' total value locked up, which is right now $297 million, can start to climb and get close to Binance's $3.2 billion total value locked up in the chain, then that'll show you guys that Crypto.com's CRO, the Cronos chain, and Crypto.com are going to be successful into the future. Now, I think there's a lot of reasons why you should consider understanding the significance of the Crypto.com token and its relationship to Binance Smart Chain. But you also got to understand, guys, that Bitcoin leads it all. And so we look at Bitcoin, we watch the price action on Cronos, look at some of the key levels, and then we look at the story to figure out the valuation versus some of the other competitors in the market. I talk about Binance a lot when I talk about Crypto.com because it's like talking about apples to apples. You wouldn't want to compare Crypto.com's Cronos coin to Sandbox, right? Because Sandbox is a metaverse token. You wouldn't want to compare CRO to Dogecoin. You would want to compare Dogecoin to Shiba Inu, and you'd want to compare Binance to Crypto.com, and you'd want to compare Sandbox to Illuvium, right? So these are some of the things that I like to think about. I want to give you guys this update on Crypto.com. There are more partnerships coming. the coin is pumping, guys. It's doing pretty well, but we got to be careful because if we do bounce off of this overall market cap level that I was talking about earlier at $1.22 trillion, then we would see altcoins likely fall as well alongside Bitcoin. And so we are not out of the woods yet for CRO, but it is a very exciting time. Things have been pumping lately. Absolutely spectacular to see. That's all I got in this one, guys. I'm CryptoKip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, DCA, HODL, and I'll see you next time. Peace, y'all.